I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG battery drain test starting from 100% to the 0%, and this is the most highest requested video in my channel ever. So that's why I decided to do this video as soon as possible so that you can decide whether to buy this phone or not. So in this video, I'll be using the conditions like connecting to the Wi-Fi network, not with the 4G data, only with the Wi-Fi network, and 50% brightness only. I'll be disabling the auto brightness as well, and with 50% brightness and smooth and extreme settings. And one more thing is that by default in the POCO X3 you cannot play with the smooth and extreme, you can only play with the smooth and ultra settings. You need to use the GFX tool to enable this kind of smooth and extremes. So right now I'll be using the GFX tool to play with the smooth and extreme settings in this PUBG game, and I'll be writing down the battery percentage and temperature checking as well for every 1 hour, 2 hours and 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours and 6 hours. So let's see whether the POCO X3 can last more than 5 hours of mark or not. So definitely friends, if with this kind of brightness it should be able to last. I'm not trying to use the full brightness level as well. So let's see in this test, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me friends, and because definitely it takes lot of time and effort and dedication in terms of making this kind of videos possible in my channel. So make sure to subscribe and support me for more videos, and also like this video. So target for this video is about target is about 1000 likes for this video, so make sure to hit that 1000 likes target for this video. And as I said, the battery got charged to the 100%, and next step is to decrease the brightness to the 50%, and next is to turn on the Wi-Fi, and everything is turned off as you can see. So nothing is turned on apart from Wi-Fi connection and 50% brightness. So next step is to select the smooth and extreme settings right now. So let me open the GFX tool and select all the settings needed for this one. As you can see friends, clearly I selected the smooth and extreme settings in the GFX tool, and I'll be playing with the colorful settings only because this is another requested from one of my subscribers that use the colorful settings. So right now these are the few settings which I'll be using in this PUBG gameplay as well. And recently even I did a video on gyroscope sensor as well, so try to check that video in case if you want to know more details. But in this video I won't be using any gyroscope sensor during this gameplay test. And I got my earphones connected as well, and let me show you the how much volume I'll be using. Even that one you need to know. As you can see, 50% volume also I am using, so with the earphones connected to the POCO X3 device. Now Wi-Fi, brightness, settings and everything is set, and now let me open this clock right now. So here is a OnePlus 7 Pro I am using, and I'll try to do the display comparison as well, OnePlus 7 Pro and this POCO X3. And here is a stopwatch, and before starting the test let me try to check the temperature reading as well, how much it is. 31 degrees, 32, 31 and 32 is a maximum recorded temperature at the moment. Even backside not much, 30 degrees. So 32 degrees friends in the beginning of the test. And now let me try to disconnect the cable and start the stopwatch. Now the test has been officially begun in the POCO X3 device, and as I said, the brightness I won't change at all. This will be the constant brightness till end of the test, till the battery gets dead close to 0%. So these are biggest battery drain test which I'll be doing right now. So make sure to follow me, and definitely friends hit like as well, because it takes lot of time. For 6 hours I need to spend continuously just playing this game, PUBG game. So I won't be spectating as well at all. I'll be just keep on running, or I'll be try to play the game as well as much as I can try, definitely. And one more thing, in this video I won't be using any saturated mode as well. So if you don't know what is enhancement mode and saturated mode, try to check my other videos which I uploaded on that one, how to enhance the visuals, as you can see. So try to watch that video, you'll get a clear idea what I'm talking about. But in this video I won't be using any of those extra settings meanwhile here. And check the FPS count on the top as well. You can see right now I'm getting 60 FPS consistently if you are using this kind of smooth and extra settings. So this is another thing which I'll be covering even after playing for a very long time, whether the FPS is maintaining properly or not. Even I'll be talking about the gaming controls and everything, gameplay sensitivity and everything I'll be covering after playing couple of hours, so I can give you the proper conclusion about these smartphones of the POCO X3 device. Even I prefer to using the loudspeaker because it has got very dual loudspeaker setup, so which will give you perfect feel when you can actually listen the footsteps as well because of this dual stereo speaker setup. So definitely friends, try to watch after a couple of hours of this test. I'll try to mention key things about this phone as well. Meanwhile decreasing the FPS or not, whether while you're playing the game. So right now at the moment you can see the CPU and GPU utilization, how much it is. So let me try to zoom in clearly. So because the brightness of the phone is very low, you may not be able to see a little bit information. But overall the GPU 57%, CPU is 36% utilizing at the moment. So again I'll try to cover even this kind of settings even after playing for very long hours. So let me see friends. And one more thing is that because of this heavy weight of the POCO X3 device, so you may not be able to play for long hours, I can say. The phone is kind of 225 grams. So if you're not used to that kind of heavy weights mobile phone, then definitely you will feel this one kind of bulky as well. So that is what my opinion is. But this varies from person to person. So I got big hands and I can definitely hold this kind of smartphone for long continuous usage. But if you're having small hands and if you're uncomfortable, definitely you will feel this kind of uncomfortableness after playing for 1 hour only the PUBG game. And overall the gameplay looks fine till now, and definitely I'll try to talk more about these gameplay things later on. Even I'll try to do the internal audio recording and with the mic as well, so stay tuned for that. And meanwhile I won't be using any voice changes at the moment. I will be choosing just normal voice. Even I did a separate video on that one as well. If you don't know what is a voice changer, I did a separate video, so try to check links in description for the playlist of completely POCO X3 only. So again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour continuously straight playing the PUBG game in this POCO X3, and let's see how much the battery can actually decrease in the first 1 hour. So usually in the first 1 hour the battery will decrease little bit, in next little bit, and third and fourth hour the battery will decrease a lot. So let's see friends, will that pattern will be same here in this case or not in the POCO X3 smartphone. You can see here friends, it's been exactly 1 hour and 8 minutes. Sorry friends, I lost track of the time, so that's why I was unable to record exactly at 1 hour. So let me try to show you the battery percentage, how much it is right now. The battery percentage is about, I think, 85%. So let me try to open the battery settings to show you in big number, as you can see. So 85% of the battery drain maybe in the 1 hour, as you can see. So let me try to write down the readings and take the temperature reading as well. So let me see the temperature. 32 degrees, 33, as you can clearly see, 33 degrees is the maximum recorded temperature in the front side. Even the back side is not that much heat at all. So I was constantly playing the game and I forgot about the time only. So let me try to write the battery percentage, how much it is, and the temperature as well. So 33 degrees. So I'll be exactly recording at least now at the 2 hours of timing. So we'll get to know in 2 hours how much the battery will be dropped in the POCO X3 device. So make sure to like this video friends, and as I said, the like target for this video is about 1000. So let's reach for the 1000 likes for this video, and again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 2 hours how much the battery will get drained right now. You can see here friends, it's been 2 hours, getting close to 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in the POCO X3 device. As you can clearly see right now, I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone. So let's see friends how much the battery will get drained exactly at after 2 hours of playing the game in the POCO X3. And during this time I did not feel any issues with the performance or any touch lag or anything in the POCO X3 smartphone. So the FPS also was trying to maintain a 60 FPS throughout the time, and it's been exactly 2 hours of continuously playing the game. And let me try to show you the battery percentage first. As you can see, 73% after 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game, 73%. And during this time I did not change any brightness as well. 35, 36 as well, as you can see, 36 degrees got recorded somewhere here. 36, 37, as you can clearly see, 37 degrees. So 37 degrees, and back side it's not that heat. So 37 degrees, and the battery temperature is of 73 degrees. 37. As you can see here friends, the number is exactly reverse of battery percentage, but these are overall results for the first 2 hours of charge playing the PUBG game continuously in the POCO X3 device. So let's see friends, how much more longer this can actually hold. So I'm guessing this would take more than 6 hours, I think so. So let's see how much more time can I actually play the PUBG game in this POCO X3 device. So these are 50% brightness only, so these are one thing you need to remember, and with the Wi-Fi connection as well. So these are the few things, and earphones I am connected to the smartphone as well. And again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 3 hours how much the battery percentage can decrease in this smartphone. As you can see, friends, it's been exactly close to 3 hours of playing continuously the PUBG game in the POCO X3 device. And during this time, if you're using the less brightness, one thing I did observe is that the phone won't get that much kind of heat if you're using with this kind of 50% brightness. And one more thing, even my surrounding temperature right now, it's very cold. So that's why the phone is not getting so heat while playing the PUBG game for long hours. So right now the battery percentage is of 59% after 3 hours of continuously playing the game. And let me show you the temperature readings as well. Right now 34 degrees we got, and the back side. So overall 34 degrees, friends. As I said, the surrounding temperature is also matters a lot. So right now at my location the temperature is very cold. I think it's close to 15 degrees right now at the moment. So that's why it's affecting the temperature on this one POCO X3 as well. Even my room temperature is pretty low at the moment. So let me try to write the battery percentage, how much it is, 59% here. And let me try to write even the temperature as well. Temperature got recorded up to 34 degrees at the moment. Again I'll be back after 4 hours of continuously playing this game, and let's see in the 4 hours how much the battery can discharge. I guess if this continues this kind of trend, we might cross the 6-hour benchmark as well. So let's see whether we can actually survive till the 6-hour mark or not. And during this time the gameplay was pretty good and very smooth. As I said, I'm using only the normal settings, not with the extreme saturated or bright colors. So these are the normal colors only. I did not use any kind of visual enhancement modes here. So again I'll be back after 4 hours of continuously testing this PUBG game. As you can see, friends, it's been exactly 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in this phone, the POCO X3 device. As you can see, this is a POCO X3, and let me first check the temperature, how much battery percentage, how much it is decreased. 44 battery percentage after 4 hours of playing the PUBG game continuously in the POCO X3 device. And let me try to check the temperature as well right now. 35, 36, 37.8, 38 as well. So slightly increased. 38.6, 36, 37. So overall 38 degrees. I think after maybe playing for a long time the temperature might increase. So the battery percentage is of 44 and temperature is of 38 degrees overall for the first 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in this POCO X3 device. And again I'll be continuing this test until the battery gets drained. So let's see how many hours you can actually play this game in the POCO X3 smartphone. As you can see, friends, it's been exactly 5 hours of non-stop playing the PUBG game in the POCO X3 device, as you can see here. So let me open the battery settings. As you can see, battery dropped to the 26% after 5 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game. And let me check the temperature. I can feel a little bit of heat also increased, 41 degrees. As you can see, 41.8. So that's close to 42 degrees as well. But 41 is the maximum recorded temperature. I'll try to record the 41, and even the back side is of kind of heat, not that much. So 41 and 26 is the battery percentage. So I don't think this will last more than 6 hours of PUBG gameplay, I think so. So let's see whether this gonna last more than 6 hours or not, because I can observe this kind of pattern for every 1 hour. I think close to 15 to 20% of battery is getting drained during this PUBG gameplay here. So during this test, one thing I felt is that the phone is quite too heavy to play for continuously 5 hours of non-stop gaming. So definitely you will feel that kind of heaviness while playing this kind of game in the big screen, 6.7 inch screen. And definitely, friends, you will kind of notice this kind of heavy weight during these long hour gaming sessions. Again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 6 hours how much the battery will get drained here. Right now you can see here, friends, it's been 6 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in the POCO X3 device. Let me show you the battery percent, how much it is right now. As you can see, it's 10% after 6 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game. And let me try to show you the temperature reading as well, how much it got recorded. So 37, 38, 37 is the maximum, 38 is the maximum recorded temperature. So 38, and even back side, let me try to show you, and 35 degrees. So let me try to write down the readings, and then I'll talk about the FPS count or what's happening if the battery is less than 10%. So let me try to show you, friends, what is happening after the battery gets close to 10%. The PUBG game will run very slow. So let me try to zoom in near the FPS count. As you can see here, it's 37 FPS. So let me try to increase the brightness for only for some time so that you can see the actual FPS count meter. As you can see, the FPS is decreased from 60 FPS to 44 FPS. You can see that. So the game feels a little bit lag while playing below close to 10%. So overall, below 10%, it's not that playable at all. So definitely I would not recommend you to continue, but this is a draining test. That's why I decided to continue the complete PUBG drain. So let's see how many hours I can actually play the game. So let me try to put back the brightness back to 50%. So again, I will be back after a couple of minutes. I think it will last close to 6 hours or 15 minutes mark, I think so. So let's see, friends, how many more minutes this can last. As you can see, friends, right now the time is about 6 hours and 33 minutes, and the battery dropped to the, I think, below 3%. So as you can see, 3%, and at this stage the gameplay is not that smooth at all. You'll be getting only 30 FPS or maybe 40 FPS. So when the game starts, everything, the graphics and everything tends to slow down. So overall, friends, you can easily play more than 6 hours if you are following this kind of settings with the Wi-Fi and 50% brightness only, and with the earphones plugged in, not with the loudspeaker, with the earphones plugged in. And if you do this kind of settings and gaming test in the POCO X3, definitely this phone can survive easily to more than 6 hours without any issues. Even the temperature is not that high. Overall, this is a graph which I got here, as you can see here. So maybe because of the surrounding temperature and the ambient temperature also matters. So right now in my surrounding temperature, it's pretty cool. So maybe that might be another reason as well. But definitely later on also I will try to do the same kind of battery drain test, but using with the HDR and maybe smooth and extreme with full brightness. So I'll try to do with 100% brightness, and let's see 100% brightness and 50% brightness, how much difference does it make and how many hours will there be a difference. And thank you for watching this video, friends. Make sure to like the video because our like target is close to 1000 likes for this video. Make sure to reach that like target, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.